my friend, this is Mohammed Imtiaz. Welcome to my channel AutoCAD tips and tricks. Before start the tutorial, just take a look of my channels. Okay, as you can see here, we have a lots of tutorials which one can everywhere you can find, but a very important tutorials on my channels have which one can make your work very easy. This is the one which one have advanced AutoCAD Lisp tricks. Go to my channel and click to home, and you can see this very important tips and tricks on my channel, and you can add some additional softwares also to your. So let's start the tutorial. Okay, so as you can see here, we have a great topic of 10 methods. So just make it more. And here, as you can see, task mask, super hatch, T-circle, group, sketch, quick dimension, delete duplicate, auto numbering, and change case and annotation attachments. These commands are make your work very easy and shortcut. No need to be use a very lengthy method. So let's start the tutorial. It's text mask. What is text mask? Here, as you can see, I put one text. Left side elevation, I need to be removed around this hatch. So just type text mask. This is the second one, and just select the text. Okay, just press enter. As you can see, our text is empty without the text delete between the text. Okay, that hatch delete between the text. Now it's super hatch. What is super hatch? Super hatch, it can, if for example, if you need to be at 2-3 images or 1-4 images or lots of images repeating, like I will show you. Just type super hatch, and super hatch can you get in here also. Okay, I'm just typing super hatch. I click for the image. Okay, and I go to my channel logo. Okay, I click OK. I'll put it here. Okay, now he's asking it's the placement of this image applicable. Yeah, so I click for the yes and click inside this box and just press the enter and wait a second. It will repeat the all our images. It's this super hatch. I'm deleting because it's make heavy our file. Okay, so the next one is a T-circle. What is T-circle? T-circle make around the circle of this whatever objects. For example, if you need to be make around the circle, and you can make the change of the color, for example, like indicating something. So okay, I'll make it T-circle. I'm making T-circle and select this text. I make enter, and he's asking the scale. 0.1 is okay for me, and I make circle and constant. Now you can repeat, and you can change the color to indicate something or showing some like different objects. Okay, now you can change the color here, make yellow. Okay, as you can repeat to all objects to be showing like different things. Okay, and go for the group, as you know, but group can make for the block also. Okay, so let's check group enter. For example, this, as you can see, broken thing, whatever broken thing you can see here. For example, these 3 lines are broken. Okay, now I am selecting everything. Here I select these 3 objects. Okay, and I just press enter. Now you can see it will become like a polyline. Okay, it will never miss. Okay, like this type of you can use to any polyline also. Now what is sketch? Sketch, it means like you can make like for example, when you are making in the Photoshop, like cutting or something, like rounding something, like undimensioned or unshaped. So just search what is this, SKETCH, sketch. Okay, now you can see here I am just dragging around any objects like that. Okay, this is the means of sketch, and you can make the center. Okay, like this type of sketch, and it will become a different broken objects. Okay, now I'm going to be delete. I don't need because I don't want to make heavy my file. Okay, this is the objects. And now go for the quick dimension. Quick dimension, it means that you can select your quick dimension one time. For example, lots of dimensions you can select one time. For example, just type QDIM, enter, and select multiple lines to which one you want to give the dimension. Okay, I just select everything. Okay, and you can see here, this is the one. You can give, no need to just select one by one, one by one, like that. Okay, it's very easy and make your work very shortcut. And delete objects, like for example, if you have on your file by mistake you make two objects on that, these two objects or maybe three objects, whatever you make, it's make your heavy file. So that's why no need to delete one by one. I just make Control Z, and okay, this is 2 3 objects. As you can see, this is 2 3 objects. So just here also option have that. I just go here, oh no, somewhere here, and go to modify, and you can see this like Harry Potter swipe. Okay, so just swipe, select this one and delete it, and select this all if you need to. Okay, no issue, it will delete your every any different any waste things in your from your file. Okay, so swipe, it's very good for to make your easy file. And after that, just make purge your file, PURGE, purge it. It will delete the layers also from your layer manager. Now auto number. What is auto number? I am going to show you here. Okay, this is the text I have. Okay, now I am going to show you, this is where is the auto number. I'm going to just check, maybe the manage or maybe the express tools. Yeah, express tools have here auto number. For example, you need to give 1 2 3 4 5 6, just no need to type, just click here and select the object. It will ask you give some settings like X or Y. I will check for the X, or select order. I am start from the 1. Okay, enter and prefix. Okay, now you can see our 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, it's automatic came. Okay, this is the auto number you can use from express tool. Express tool, maybe some people was not installing when you are installing AutoCAD. So please install the AutoCAD. When you are installing a new AutoCAD, there is option express tool. You should check that box. You have to make the right that box. It will come on your AutoCAD. Okay, otherwise it will not come. So what is change case? Change case is like, for example, you have the alphabets are very small alphabets. You need to make like capital alphabets. Okay, so no need to select or go select by like this, select all then make change the case. No, there is this option. You can go to change the case from the modify of this. You can change here. Okay, now you can see the uppercase, lowercase, whatever you want to make. I need to make uppercase, so I click OK. Now you can see our text is become uppercase. Okay, wherever you have from your file, just select all and go to change the case. No need to go inside and Control A like that. Just select the whole file, then you can make the capitals. Okay, it's make very easy to you. Annotation attachment. What is annotation attachments? Annotation attachment is like, for example, if you have, for example, here this the leader and the text, it's separate. If you need to make combine together this one, so just check this one. Okay, I'm going to select this annotation, select, and now what is saying, QL attach, select the leader. I'm just selecting the leader and selecting the text also. Now you can see our wherever you move your text, the leader will come with that. Okay, it's make very easy to you. For example, if you need to move from here to indicate here like that, it will make. Okay, so it's very easy to work and very easy to be moved this quick leader. I hope you like it. So please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, so when I uploaded a video you will get a notification. So please, because of virus, use sanitizers, face mask, and please protect your children. So please don't eat like chips from outside or burger or something. Avoid from few days. I know you like it. So okay, take care of yourself and bye bye.